Hi guys, I'm Mario and today we're going to talk about how to make YouTube Shorts. It's really simple and easy, so let's get started. We open the YouTube app. We tap the plus sign at the very bottom. Now we select create a short. Here you can create 15-second long videos. If you want to make a video up to 1 minute, tap on the 50 seconds icon and it will change. You can upload a video from your gallery by tapping on the picture at the bottom left. But for now, let's just shoot something. And tap done. Here you can add a sound using YouTube Music Library. Add text, for example, something like that. Tap on timeline. Here you can see where the text is, so you can adjust it to show only when you want to be shown. Also, you can add filters. Now tap on next at the top right. Here type your title and select visibility and audience. Then tap on upload shorts. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel.